Hello guys, review TECNO Spark 20, this version 8GB memory and 256GB Intel memory. Open box and look completion. In completion we have device in the blue color. Okay. Documentary, protected back cover, adapter for charging with quick charge 18 watt, cable Type-C, speakers, headphones, and key for SIM slot. Okay. Now talk about device. Triple camera on the back side, double camera on the back side. On this side power button and volume buttons. Display 6.6 inch on this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Speaker first, second speaker, Type-C port and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device, we have display IPS HD resolution 90 Hz. Open settings, look Android version. TECNO Spark 20, Android 13, High OS 13.5.0. Close this and open onto the benchmark, look onto the benchmark score. Onto the benchmark score, open Geekbench 6. CPU we have MediaTek Helio G5085, GPU Mali G52. Okay, and results. GPU test results. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera, 50 megapixels plus 0.08 megapixels. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.